Guys, this lotion is amazing. I just love my face glowing, my skin. I mean, I just love this lotion so much.
If you're looking for a whitening cream, sis, this cream got your back, okay?
Believe me, when they said this lotion can be used on the body and then on the face, I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this lotion on my face. And I'm not gonna put any serums on my face, no toners, nothing at all. My normal facial moisturizer, I stopped it all just to try this lotion so that I can really talk about it from here to down.
Edition 14 days whitening face and body lotion.
Did lighten my skin gradually, and I'm really loving it. As you can see, I'm really loving it. I didn't have any problem with my skin. And I can say that this lotion is fine.
Lotion is a very good, amazing lotion.
And I love it the way that it doesn't suddenly lighten your skin for people to really see the visible results on your skin. And
orange, like this one, right?
Lotion really did amazing job, and I think I'm going to give it a thumbs up.
I love it. I cannot express this enough. I love this cream.
All right, let me tell you guys something. Listen up. I finished this bottle, and this is the one I'm going for next.
So I'm gonna end here.
To something like this, and it's thank you.